It's Sunday the 21st of February 2016. This is a chart update for Saracen Minerals. Saracen's one that I still don't own the stock, but I've been doing charts for this for a few months. I think the last chart update I had, I suggested we could probably, after we'd broken out above this sort of, this trend lines that we'd had and looked to be holding those levels, I thought a move toward $1 and the previous resistance, the previous high around, was it 98 cents there, would be tested, and that's what we've had this week. It's gone up and hit that level a couple of times. Not necessarily great performance around there. There's a bit of selling pressure. You can see volume sort of started to come in a bit at the highs here. The good little consolidation period it had around that. I mean, in these chart videos that I'm putting up, there's a lot of, in these gold stocks, a lot of little nice little consolidation flag patterns. And these are great buying opportunities in strong uptrends. Statistically, they're actually the best performing chart patterns as well. So you want to see that nice little consolidation and then a break higher. We've seen that. I think almost every video I've been putting up recently has had a similar type of pattern in it. Then you have that move up from the flag. The flag breakout is the length of the pole again. So, we're getting up to that target area. I think Saracen had their commissioning first gold pour at the Thunderbox, their second mine. So a lot of the upside from that's probably factored into the share price now. You probably still see a little bit of buying as the risk from commissioning comes down and from first production. So as long as they keep going up there, I think the stock can still go a little bit higher. I think it's starting to trade near its peer group, which would be the Evolution, Northern Star, Regis. It's starting to get up toward valuations up on those levels. So obviously, if the Australian dollar gold price keeps going higher, Saracen's going to go higher as well. But from a company perspective, a lot of the upsides probably factored in. So now it's going to trade with in line with a lot of the rest of the gold stocks, I think. It seems to be a very well-run company. It's had a tremendous run in the last 18 months, 2 years. So I think, it's still a good stock to hold, but it's probably moved into a different category of gold mining stocks now, and it's not going to have that. A lot of this is just, I guess, de-risking of Thunderbox, and people starting to factor that into their models of 300,000 ounces rather than 150,000 from one operation. So I'd be interested to see what their next move is. In terms of another mining operation or a development project. I'm not sure if they have a project ready to, move up into a potential next mine. So maybe there's some acquisition activity there, or maybe they're a takeover target for someone else. But I think they're going to need to start telling those sort of stories as well, now that their Thunderbox operation is near full production.